Hello everyone, welcome to yet another episode of the Bold Lessons by Overseas Prep Lab. Data is nothing but unorganized madness. Take a look. Does this make sense to you? No, right? But when cleaned, organized and presented in a coherent fashion, it can speak volumes about how a business is performing. And that is why there are no surprises that today all kinds of businesses, big, medium or small, are hiring data analysts with huge pay packages to help them dissect information from this unorganized data. Let's understand, why do businesses need data analytics? First of all, they need to understand what mistakes they've made and learn from them. Secondly, they need to see how well they can optimize their own business. And lastly, they need to be able to understand and predict customer behavior. At the end of the day, that's the most important thing, isn't it? If businesses don't understand customer behavior, they cannot survive. And that is the reason data analytics today has become a highly skilled and a much in demand profession. And that is why it is extremely important for you to keep up the pace with it, to be able to ensure that you too have that skill. All test prep makers, be it College Board, GMAC or ETS, they understand this. They understand that data analytics is a hugely in-demand skill today. And that is why it's not a surprise that all these exams, the SAT, the GRE and the GMAT, test you vehemently on data analytics. So much so that when the new version of the GMAT was launched last year in November 2023, as all of you know, they had a whole new section in it called Data Insights, where they test you on various kinds of figures. Take a look. Bar graphs, column graphs, pie charts, tables, all of these along with data sufficiency, where they are actually not testing you on mathematics. They are actually testing you on your critical thinking ability. While GRE has many questions within the quant section itself, testing you on these similar figures, SAT has all these figures across both the verbal and math sections. Just imagine. So not only during the verbal section would you have to have command of evidence in quantitative ability, in math section you also have to actually solve those questions. So the bottom line is, all these test prep exams know that you need to be able to do well in data analytics. And therefore both universities and your future employers, guys, want to see how you are doing in data analytics so that they can assess that when you join the university or their company, how are you going to perform in data analytics. We at the Overseas Prep Lab understand the importance. We know what it takes for you to get into universities, and that is the reason all our courses have been curated in a way that we have special emphasis on data analytics. What is required is for you to tick that box. Do you have it in it to tick that box? At Overseas Prep Lab, we help you achieve the tick on that most important box. Keep joining our sessions and keep visiting our website for more information.